Friends, how are you? Now I introduce the automatic thermal laminating machine to you. This machine, the paper pile height is 1300. This is the automatic feeding unit. This part is a host, laminator host, thermal laminating. This part is a cutting unit. This cutting unit, customer option the chain knife. Soon I will send the details to you. And this part is the automatic collector unit. The machine which you interested in. If the machine layout on your workshop, it's like this. This is the whole appearance of this machine. Good impression from Jellit.